Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We're camping at the Islander Resort at Lake Havasu and we're about to make some teriyaki bacon burgers. Let's get started. I'll just wash my hands real fast. And we've already got our grill going, so we'll just take our ground beef and we will just go ahead and form that into 2 patties. And right onto the grill they go. And I went ahead and cooked some bacon at home, and I'm just gonna throw it on the grill for 30 seconds to a minute just to get it heated through. And then we're gonna mix up a little bit of teriyaki sauce to put onto our actual bacon. And our bacon is almost fully warmed. And then we'll just take it off. And now we are just gonna take our teriyaki sauce and we are just gonna slather it right on that bacon. And you can go ahead and cook these to your desired doneness. Okay, now our burgers look pretty done. So we're gonna take some cheese and put the cheese directly onto the burgers. Now, doesn't that bacon look delicious? Looks like I built that one upside down, but this one looks pretty good. Let's see how it tastes. That bacon is so good. Definitely try out this recipe. If you liked it, make sure to comment down below, subscribe to our channel, and give us a big thumbs up. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.